Are you looking for the best home printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best home printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. The best home printer we've tested is the Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500, an all-in-one inkjet model that produces beautiful, vibrant photos. It's important to note that the ET8500 is a cheaper variant of the flagship Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. They're both excellent printers, but the main difference is that the ET8550 has a larger 8.5 by 14 flatbed scanner and supports wide-format paper up to 13 by 19, which is only relevant for people who need to print things like posters, making the cheaper ET8500 a better option for most households. Because these models are photo printers, if you plan on mostly printing documents, you can easily find more affordable models that are better suited to this need, like the Canon Color imageCLASS MF656 CDW we recommend below. Printing-wise, it produces sharp, high-quality documents and incredibly detailed photos. It warms up quickly and prints up to 15 black or 10 color pages per minute. As you may have guessed from the model name, this is a super tank printer with a refillable ink tank instead of cartridges. A full tank gets you thousands of prints, and replacement ink is cheap, so you don't have to worry about high ownership costs. Also, refilling the tank is easy, even less tech-savvy people can do it without help. The flatbed scanner is great for digitizing photos, as it captures even the tiniest details. However, there's no automatic feeder, so you must scan each page manually when processing multi-page documents. Number 2. Canon Color imageCLASS MF656 CDW/MF654 CDW. If your household has a large print load but only prints documents, get the Canon Color imageCLASS MF656 CDW. This color laser all-in-one produces amazingly sharp documents and yields thousands of prints, making it cheap to maintain. Plus, unlike inkjet printers, you don't have to worry about printheads clogging if you don't print for a long time. As for the drum, this model uses cartridges with a built-in drum, meaning you don't have to replace the drum separately. Unfortunately, unlike our inkjet pick for the best home printer above, this laser Canon option isn't ideal for photo printing, as prints look dull and lack detail. Its printing speed is decent, it can print up to 22 pages per minute, albeit only via a wired USB or Ethernet connection, which is inconvenient if you don't have space near your computer or router to place the printer. It prints 10 black or 12 color pages over Wi-Fi. The scanner produces high-quality scans and quickly processes multi-page and double-sided documents through its automatic feeder. This rich feature set makes it one of the best home office printers we've tested. If you don't need an ADF, duplex scanning, or fax functionality, you can save money with one of its cheaper variants, like the Canon Color imageCLASS MF654 CDW. Some households may only print in black and white but still need the functionality of an all-in-one device. In that case, consider the Brother MFCL2820DW. It produces high-quality documents, warms up quickly, and prints up to 33 pages per minute. It costs little to maintain, as it yields many prints, and replacement toner is cheaper than the Canon. The scan quality is also excellent, although the MFCL2820DW lacks duplex scanning. Higher-end variants, like the Brother MFCL2885DW, support duplex scanning, but they're hard to find. Number 3. Brother MFCJ4335DW. The Brother MFCJ4335DW is the best printer for your home if you need a device that performs many tasks well but doesn't break the bank. This all-in-one inkjet model can output up to 2,200 black and 800 color pages with a set of full cartridges, and you can get XL high-yield cartridges that'll last even longer. Of course, it'll never match the page yield or cost per print of a super tank printer, but its page yield is very impressive for a more conventional cartridge-based printer. It produces high-quality black and color documents, and although it doesn't have the best color accuracy or widest color gamut, printed photos look very detailed for at-home use. Printing speed is respectable as well. It doesn't take long to initialize and get a single page out, and for longer documents, it churns out 17 black or 15 color pages per minute. The scanner processes up to 20 pages per minute through its automatic feeder, but it doesn't support duplex scanning, so you'll have to scan double-sided sheets manually. If you need Ethernet connectivity or NFC support, you can get the Brother MFC J4535DW variant. Expect to pay more for these options. For the price increase, you also get an additional 250 sheet input tray and a larger touch-sensitive display. Number 4. Brother HLL2460DW, HLL2400D, HLL2405W. Many people only need a printer that can take care of return labels or is ready to use once or twice a year for important documents. If this sounds like you, we recommend the Brother HLL2460DW or one of its variants. Each variant offers slightly different specifications, so depending on your budget and needs, you can choose a model with more or fewer features. These print-only monochrome laser printers get the first page out quickly and offer fast print speeds, between 32 and 34 pages per minute. Connectivity options can include USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, and more expensive variants have features like automatic duplex printing. The main advantage of monochrome laser printers is their low maintenance requirements and costs. Their cartridges yield many pages before needing replacement, and unlike inkjet printers, you don't have to worry about printhead clogging. But there are some trade-offs. These printers are more expensive upfront than cheap inkjet printers, like the Canon PIXMA MG3620 we recommend below. Also, as print-only units, you must be sure you won't need to scan anything. Finally, the out-of-the-box printing quality for these models isn't what you would expect from a Brother laser printer, although you can still produce sharp-looking documents if you tweak a couple of printer settings. Number 5. Canon PIXMA MG3620. If you want to spend as little as possible up front, we recommend the Canon PIXMA MG3620. While it prints sharp documents and colorful, detailed photos, printers at this price point come with more compromises. It's slow, only printing up to 9 black or 3 color pages per minute. Also, unlike the models above, it yields significantly fewer prints, meaning you'll have to replace the ink cartridges more frequently. And while you can get XL high-yield cartridges, they'll still yield fewer prints than our other picks. Finally, since it uses a tricolor cartridge, you must replace the entire cartridge if one color runs out, which is wasteful. On the upside, it supports automatic double-sided printing, which is a nice feature to have in this price range. It also has a good range of connectivity options, including USB and Wi-Fi, and support for Apple AirPrint and Mopria print service. It's compatible with Canon's mobile app. The scanner performs decently, scans are detailed but look a little washed out.